The innovatively easy clamping cable lockout from Brady conquers a wide variety of valve types. The familiar trigger design and interchangeable steel and rubber jaws ensure a solid lockdown almost anywhere. To lock out a gate valve, you can clamp directly to the valve handle or a fixed counterpoint in a direction that prevents valve rotation. Squeeze the hand trigger until the jaws are tight. Thread the cable through the valve handle, then between the locking cams. Close the door and pull the cable tight. Apply a padlock to one of the lock holes. To take off the device, remove the padlock, open the door, and press the lever to release the clamp. To lock out a ball valve, clamp the device to the handle, threading the cable around a fixed counterpoint in a direction that prevents valve rotation. To lock out a butterfly valve, insert the movable jaw of the clamp between the valve handle and trigger. Squeeze the clamp until tight and apply a padlock.